Hello everyone and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless keyboards with the seenda Backlit Wireless Keyboard. This sleek and stylish keyboard boasts a range of features, from customizable LED lighting to multi-device connectivity. Let's unbox it and see what it has to offer. As we open the box, we're greeted with the seenda Backlit Wireless Keyboard neatly packaged inside. Alongside the keyboard, we find a user manual, a USB charging cable, and a warranty card, ensuring that you have everything you need to get started. The seenda keyboard features a space gray color scheme with rainbow LED backlighting, adding a touch of flair to your workspace. It's impressively slim and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go use with laptops or tablets. The keys have a satisfying tactile feel, thanks to the unique scissor switch design, and they're noticeably quieter than traditional keyboards, reducing typing noise. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its multi-device sync capability. With support for up to 3 devices simultaneously, you can easily switch between your computer, tablet, and smartphone with just the press of a button. The LED backlighting offers 7 vibrant colors with 3 levels of brightness, providing both style and functionality, especially in low-light environments. Powered by a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, this keyboard offers impressive battery life. With up to 400 hours of use without backlighting and 16 hours with the backlight at its brightest setting. Additionally, it's compatible with a range of Windows devices, from XP to the latest Windows 11, ensuring versatility for users across various platforms. Typing on the seenda Backlit Wireless Keyboard is a comfortable experience, thanks to the scissor switch technology. The keys are responsive and provide excellent feedback, enhancing productivity during long typing sessions. The Bluetooth connectivity offers stable and reliable performance, allowing for seamless pairing with your devices without the hassle of cables. In conclusion, the seenda Backlit Wireless Keyboard is a versatile and stylish option for users seeking a reliable input device for their Windows devices. With its customizable LED backlighting, multi-device connectivity, and quiet keys, it offers a fantastic typing experience for both work and leisure. If you're in the market for a wireless keyboard that combines functionality with style, the seenda Backlit Wireless Keyboard is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the seenda Backlit Wireless Keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.